Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to determine genders of German nouns. All German nouns are one of the three genders masculine, feminine, and neutral. Take cutlery for example. You have the Gabel, the fork, der Löffel, the spoon, and das Messer, the knife. A fork is feminine, a spoon is masculine, and a knife is neutral. Confusing enough? Now I am going to tell you how to identify masculine nouns in German. To figure out whether a word is masculine, look for the following word endings: er, l, ling, ich, ish, ner, ismus, or, us, ich, ant. If you follow this rule, you will be correct around 80% of the time. Also, anything to do with calendar dates tend to be masculine. For example, days, months, and seasons fall under this category. Finally, male animals and weather elements are usually masculine. From this, you can deduce that the following words are masculine: der Auto, der Vater, der Mittwoch, der Regen. How to recognize feminine noun in German? Feminine German nouns use the definite article die and indefinite article eine. Look out for the following word endings: e, I, height, I, in, ich, kite, shaft, ung, tet, ur, tion. Funny enough, things that would normally be associated with femininity are usually feminine too. For example, flowers and trees, along with the female animals and people. So, die Blume means the flower is feminine. Die Familie, die Mannschaft, is also feminine. How can you identify neutral nouns in German? Neutral nouns takes the definite article das and indefinite article ein. To spot neutral nouns, look out for the following word endings: shen, o, line, en, il, ma, tel, ment, nis, tum, um. Most inanimate objects do fall under the category of neutral. Also, most metals, as well as babies, both human and animal, tend to have neutral genders. Let's take for examples. The skinned child is neutral. Thus, fragment is neutral. Thus, gold is also neutral. Now, what about plurals in Germans? The German nouns become plural when they adopt feminine definite article of die. So der, die or das become die and die. For example, der Mann becomes die Männer. So that is all for today, and I will be looking forward for you people to subscribe to my channel and comment if you want to give any feedback. And if you feel like sharing this video, I will be very happy. So we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, bye bye.